In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on sounds and vibration. Then you need to click on vibrate section and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on sound and tap on this sweater next to vibrate while reading to switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. When you're ready, scroll down and tap on cool vibration pattern. Now select the best one for you by clicking on it and go back. You can do exactly the same for your notifications. Then select vibration intensity and swipe left or right on this slider to adjust intensity of touch vibrations. Now go back, click on System Sound Vibration Control, scroll all the way down and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those switchers to switch off or on vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!